Hey YouTube, it's your girl Rachel, and I'm coming by with a video just to share what's been going on with me. I hope this video isn't entirely too long, but I wanted to share what's been going on in my life. I haven't really been posting, and I'm very sorry for that. But if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so what I've been doing for the last several months, if you have followed me, you guys know that I went to school for aesthetics and I got my aesthetics license. So I am a licensed esthetician now. And because I have a full-time job, I already have a career. However, I see this as something that's going to be something big and major for me, but it wouldn't be smart for me to just quit that and just go into this full force. So I've been blessed that I've been able to do that and work part-time in something that I absolutely and truly love. So I've been on the hunt searching for office space, or was I gonna rent space in someone's salon, and I had a few options. The first option was for me to rent space in someone's salon. I just didn't feel like that was a good fit, so I decided to not move forward with that. I wanted to be totally solo and do everything on my own. I found office space, signed a lease, didn't work out because apparently where I signed my lease, that zoning part of the city was not for commercial type work as far as aesthetics, barbering, cosmo, massage therapy, those type of things. So I had to get out of that lease. Found a second building, and which was fine. I didn't love it. I didn't like it. And thankfully, that didn't work. That didn't stop me from moving forward to something else. So I found this last place. And when I tell you, the experience with the first real estate broker versus the second real estate broker was night and MFing day. The first one, he was horrible. Horrible. The second one, I emailed her over the weekend, knowing that she probably wouldn't respond until Monday, which I was fine with that, you know. But she emailed me the same day. We had our appointment that following Monday here, and I talked to her on the phone. She was like, she said, go ahead, walk in and see what you think. And when we were on the phone, I said, this is it, I want it. And she was like, I'll have the paperwork to you by the end of tomorrow. And she had my lease, boom. And that's how all the magic started. When I first came in here, I loved the room, but I hated the carpet. The carpet is hideous. And the color of the walls is like, this just does not match anything. So I got my very good friend, and he's always been supportive of everything that I do, and we've been friends for years or whatever, but he's been very supportive, and he's an extreme handyman, okay? Like, when I tell you, if you need him to build you a freaking house, he'll probably be able to build you a house, like literally from top to bottom. So I came up with all these ideas and these plans and whatnot. I'll be up in the middle of the night trying to figure out what am I gonna do for this room, how I'm gonna fix this carpet. So the original thing was like, okay, I know I'm renting, so I can't pull the carpet up. So I was like, you know what, I'll just get some really big area rugs and go from there. Area rugs are high as heck, if you didn't know. Area rugs are like, big area rugs are like $300, $400, $500. So for this room, which is almost 300 square foot, I would have to get at least 2 for it to cover up that carpet. Make a long story short, I thought that I came up with an idea. Obviously I didn't, someone else in the world came up with it, but to cover the floor with laminate planks. And boom, here we are. It's even, it's flat, I have no problems. They're not popping out, anything like that. It is done, looks like professionally, but my friend does not do this professionally, okay? So between me, him, and Micah, that's how the room has transformed to what it is, and I'm absolutely thankful and blessed. All right, so this is the doorway to my studio, and as you can see, I have my signage, and if people were to walk by, they can easily scan the URL to book. Alrighty, when you first walk in, the first thing after you see me is you'll see the signage that I have on the wall. I got this from signs.com. I put a couple leaves up there because, as you can see, green is my thing apparently. But anywho, when the client first walks in, they'll see me right here. I will check them in and out right here. I might not check them out here, but I'll take their temperature, hand them a clipboard of whatever necessary paperwork for them to fill out, and they can come over here, hang up their jacket or their purse, and have a seat in the client area. So in the client area, you see I have a partition, and if they need to remove clothing or put something else on more comfortable, they'll have their privacy. I can easily step out of the room if that's what they want me to do to feel comfortable. This logo is also from signs.com, and I made this mirror from cut out square pieces from Home Depot for about, I don't know, $10 or $11. The chair is from Amazon. The little rug is from TJ Maxx. The end table is from TJ Maxx. The acrylic tray is from Amazon, where the client can put their keys, their wallet, and I can always, Lysol, refresh that when they leave. So this wall, I was very unsure what to do. I had already purchased these fairy lights. I had an idea for them, but this was the second idea for them because I didn't know what to do on this wall. And plus, your girl's money was running out. Anyway, so here's my desk area. The chair is temporary. I plan on getting a white chair with gold trim to go with the desk. It's from Amazon, and a lot of the items on here I got from TJ Maxx, where it was gifted. My friend Janice gave me that R, which I love. It's super cute. Like me. The LED lamp, it does change colors, but I don't have it set on that. I got that from Amazon too. Alrighty, so on this side of the room, this is where the magic happens. So here is my facial table. I have another rug. Put some of those leaves on the wall. I didn't know really what to do with them. And got some floating shelves. You see my speakers up there. The lights, RC, you know who that is. My shelving area, I got the little cube gray thingies at the bottom from Target. The diffuser is from TJ Maxx, and the organizer is from IKEA. I should have said that. So I decided to put my salon license, my certificate from graduation of school, my aesthetics license, and my business license. This area is my back bar, and that is my hamper right there. I have another portable hamper. I'm gonna push that back in for when I leave and take clothes to get washed. So the last space here is this mirror and leafy stuffy. So the leaves were from Amazon, the mirrors from TJ Maxx. And lastly, I have my products that I'm doing for retail. I'm retailing with SkinScript. So here we go. Cleansers, moisturizer, and toner. And that's basically it. If I missed something, the main stores that I used were Amazon, TJ Maxx, Home Depot, At Home, and Target, and IKEA. All right, so y'all saw the tour. Tell me what you think. Yeah, I'm in Columbus, Georgia. Of course, I have all my information below if you are ready for a service. So I'm providing a full service list from different various facials to waxing services, not full body waxing, but waxing services. And I plan on adding things on at the beginning of the year that I will get trained in. So I'm thinking about doing micro shading, eyebrows, not 100%, but I'm very much sure thinking about it. Because right now I'm doing tinting, eyebrow tinting, and waxing, of course, and lash lifts and lash tints. And I might add on lash extensions. See, the thing is, like in aesthetics, there's so many things that you should do, that you can do, but it's like you want to get that niche. Like, what is it? You want to narrow it down because you don't want to spread yourself so wide and then have all of these products that you spend all this money on and nobody's booking for those services. You understand what I'm saying? So you have to be smart about it. So I'm just trying to figure that out. And I'm excited. I have my books open tomorrow, November 23rd. I have my first client tomorrow. I'm like super excited and nervous at the same time. And I'm so excited. I couldn't do any of this without the man above, the Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, God, and God the Father, period. Like, I couldn't. There's no way that I could do this. And I'm so happy. I'm just so freaking happy. I'm not gonna start crying. Like, I feel like I want to start crying. I'm just so happy. You guys have no idea that at 41 years old, like, well, really at 30, 38, 39, that's when I really decided, like, what is my passion? You know what I'm saying? It's like, am I gonna know what it is? Yes, I like to service people, help people, whatever and whatnot, but like, what truly is my passion? And this is it. And I prayed about it, I fasted, I've just done so many things. I've stayed faithful. I mean, fear is always there, like that's an emotion that's there, but I pray about being faithful and doing what I'm supposed to do. And I believe that skincare is my ministry, totally. That this is something that I'll be able to do to make people feel good about themselves inside and out. You know, that's my primary concern. I want people to just feel good about yourself, because you know, when you look good, you definitely feel good. You know, so that's one thing for sure that I know that I want to do for people. And thank God that I'm able to do this. I'm starting this through a pandemic, but the Lord has got my back, like for real, totally got my back. But anyway, you guys, I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll check you guys out soon on my next video.